Hi y'all, I'm back. I want to show you how to make a hexagon braid, or we call it like a stop sign braid. It's like a weave. Anyway, I'm using 2 double strands of blue ribbon and 2 double strands of black ribbon. They're 7/8 inch ribbon, and I cut them 30 inches long each. So I cut 60 inches of the black, 60 inches of the blue, and then folded it in half. Stapled it here. The first fold we're gonna do is with the black, and it's gonna be like this, okay? And the next fold is gonna be probably the trickiest fold of the entire braid. I'm gonna try to show you. Okay, so your next fold, it's not gonna be here to match it. It's not gonna be straight down. It's gonna be, and you'll have to play with it for a minute. I did, and I still do. So, you know, there's no way around it. You may have to adjust it a little bit. But, so that's the first fold. And then the next fold is gonna be, basically, you're trying to make it as perfect as possible, but, you're gonna line that up like that, okay? The next fold, you're gonna take the black, fold it around, and what we're making here is a hexagon. You won't quite make the full hexagon each time, or stop sign each time. There'll be a triangle out, but you're doing the triangles again. Some of them are basically, I think, what do they call that? Rhombus, rhomboid, I don't remember. But anyway, it's 2 triangles. But, okay, so you're here. Now you're going to fold the blue down and over this way. See, once again, triangle, triangle. And you're going to fold the blue up. All right, so you're looking like this. And you're going to fold your black over. You're looking like this. Now we're gonna need to put some staples in here. So I'll probably do that as I go, but I don't like to put a lot of staples if possible, but I'm okay with it also to help stabilize it. So, but I wanna make sure before I staple this first set that it, you know, looks pretty decent and feels right. All right, so I'm gonna put a staple right there. Okay, now it feels secure. All right, so now we're gonna repeat the pattern. So we've already got the black going that way. We're gonna fold the blue over, see how you're making the triangle. You're gonna fold the blue under and this way. And the black under and this way. See there, we've got the triangles again. And if you look at it, this is basically a double. If you were to pretend like there's a imaginary line right there, see, it's even. Alrighty, and then we're gonna fold this one over the blue and the blue up, and I am creasing as I go. So now you're here. You're gonna do the black over again. So we're gonna put a staple in it once again, right here. Probably need 2 here as well, really. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, feels a lot more stable. Blue's gonna go down. And blue's gonna go over. See, now you can kind of look, you know, below you to sort of remember. And the black is gonna go this way. And your blue is gonna go down. Okay, let me crease that a little better. I had to double check myself on the previous ones to make sure that that was correct. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the staples in. Connect those two. Connect these. And I'm gonna continue the pattern. All right, so I've done this much and I'm continuing the same way. Your blue, make it come around and meet this side. You're gonna flip the black that way. And what I've also been doing is using this at times. Fold the blue that way. And once again, back up. And the black over. Again, I'm creasing it as I go. And I have been putting the staples in. So let me continue doing that. So I'll put that one in. And then this one. And I'm almost done. So the interesting thing is, look, we actually have quite a bit more of the black left over, which I was not anticipating, but I guess because we're folding the blue more, that's why. Okay, well, now we know. Yep, so we're gonna go that way. I'm sorry, I got messed up. I don't know how. But okay, there we go. And the blue, fold it around. That's exactly why it's a good bit shorter, because of, I think, that fold specifically. It uses like double the amount in the triangle going around. But anyway, it's not that far off. All right. And still make it go ahead and line up. That's as far as I can really do it. But I'm going to bring that back. The black one. Okay, and then I'll just, I guess not. I'll probably trim that and then just stick it straight from here. Or I'll make that the end and do it from this way. But either way, let me go ahead and staple that. And let me show y'all something real quick. See how we got all those really even? Well, there's one spot on the back that you can see a gap. Well, a couple of spots. There, that's the biggest one. But, I mean, it's fine. You should be good to go. And so, like I said, I used 60 inches and then, well, 30 inches, but I had 60 inches, folded it in half to make it 30 so that both shiny sides would show every turn that we had. And actually I might just like, because you're not going to be able to see this part up here that you have. Well, nah, I'll just trim it. Sorry, couldn't make up my mind. And I'll just snap it here. Okay. So 30 inches of the blue and the black, let's say about 21. So of course doubled, but yeah, 21 and 20. Yep, okay. But wait a minute, because there's 2, so actually no. So 9, 8 and 8 is 16. So 16 inches extra of black ribbons. You could probably do like 10 inches less and be fine, but I don't know if anybody wants to be that brave and do different lengths. But let's see how long it made the braid. And again, you can add this here and drop it down below the flower part of the mum and still have a good length of braid. So that's 9 inches. 9 and 9 is 18. So this is a good 18 inches of braid without like an extra little bit here. So yeah, I'm gonna call it the stop sign braid, even though it's missing a wedge of each stop sign, but that's kind of, you know, when you're going around. So, okay, thanks y'all. And please like and subscribe if my videos help you at all. Bye.